How to use a 360-degree bird view camera system for bus truck. This is a bird's eye view. We can see all the obstacles around us through the one on the left. When we turn on the left turning signal light, we will display the left side, and the sound and light alarm will also play, vehicles turning left. Please stay away. When turning on the right turn signal light, we will see the right view displayed on the screen. The sound and light alarm will play, vehicles turning right. Please stay away. When we put the reverse gear, it will display the picture of the front view plus the rear view. Then the sound and light alarm will say, reverse. Please pay attention. Reversing. In the process of reversing, if you want to look at the view on the right, you can turn on the right turn signal, and the driver's choice will respond first. Look left to turn on the left turn signal. If you want to see the wheels, the left and right sides of this car model, we press the double flash. In the case of reverse gear, press the double flash. We can see such a picture. The reverse gear is cancelled and the double flashing is cancelled. When we press the double flashing, we can see the two sides directly in front of the car. This is called the width limit mode. When we were waiting on the side of the road, we pressed the double flash, we pulled the handbrake. What we saw was this 4-split picture, which is called a 720-degree wide-angle picture. Each camera is 180 degrees. At this time, if there are children or obstacles around the car, they can be seen very clearly on this screen. When the handbrake is released, it will return to this screen by default. Cancel the double flash. Then we can see the accuracy, latitude and speed on this screen. When the vehicle speed exceeds 25 kilometers, we will display the rear view by default, that is, the front view plus the rear view. Because the mirror of our truck does not have a rear view mirror. But we have this 360 panoramic system, so we can observe the state of the rear more conveniently. This is a use of the product. Then its video is to pick up the remote control and press the OK button. There is a driving record here, which is the video we recorded. If you want to choose the video to play, just move to the square frame on the left and move to the place you want to choose. Select and click OK. There will be a square frame, and then move to here and there will be a triangle called play, and you will see the playback screen. Here's our video. In the process of video playback, the remote control has front, left, right, front and rear views. Press the front view to zoom in on the front view. Press the back view to zoom in on the rear view screen, left view to zoom in on the left screen, and right view to zoom in on the right screen. We can exit and press the return key to exit. This is the record, the playback in the record.